Boom. Peace. Intro. What's up, guys? Nice and cold outside. Got some snow. Probably only 4 or 5 inches. Anyway, I just figured I'd show this little Cobra. Finally threw some wheels on her. Done a little detail work. Not a lot. I thought them white ones. Yeah, I had to put me a shifter in there. It ain't. It's not mine if it don't have a shifter in it. Put me some gauges. Seat belts. Did a little dash work. Threw a plate on the back. Chrome rivets. I think them white wheels work out great. I mean, this thing looks better than the Super to me, but I haven't seen the Super in real life. Chromed out the windshield. Painted the wiper blades black. Pretty sweet. I figured it was still just a little bit wet, or I would have threw some wax on her. Anyway, not much. I don't think it took much to make her look really good. I didn't do anything to the bottom. Anyway, what do you think, guys? That's pretty cool. Got a lot of them done up here now. That Cobra was mine. Of course, the Camaro's from Alex Long, as well as the Mustang and the 32. That Mustang is just nice, boy. I think white wheels worked good on it too. See what I did there is that's two sets of staggered. I put the two smalls on the Mustang and the two large on the Cobra. For some reason that's how it was. Cobra had large wheels on it. I think all came out pretty cool. Like I said, that Cobra didn't take much. Anyway, working on some more customs. Got a few freebies going, and I actually mixed it up and threw some in there that were for sale. People, I have people that wanted some cars, so I figured I better get those done as well. And but hopefully I'll have something done in a week or so. Fordman or 87. Fordman 87. Is that what it is? Let me look over here. 84, I believe. Yeah, Fordsman 84. Finally got your bad man going over there, buddy. Got her painted. Just gotta do the rest of it. Just started it. And I think it's Bonacore. Started your 56 Ford. And Michael Johnson, I got your Superbird going. And ooh wee, I do some things different on that baby. It's a lot like the black one, but I changed up the exhaust and some other things. It's looking pretty good, I must say. But I haven't. I just painted it. Well, I just painted the first color anyway. But and this time I went ahead and did something a little different. Well, you'll see when I show it. But and I got oh, I'm doing a Bentley Continental for Mr. Slintz. If he wants it. If he doesn't, somebody else probably will. And I got Well, this other guy I'm working on, it's a freebie too, but I don't want to say who he is until I'm done. So I'll wait till I show that one. But he's a real good guy in the community. Knows a lot about Hot Wheels. For some reason doesn't have a whole lot of subscribers. Always comments on my channel and some others. Really nice guy. Like I said, has a lot of old Hot Wheels and knows a lot about them. But I don't know why it doesn't seem to have a lot of subscribers. I'm sure he probably don't care. But anyway, once I get his car done, we'll show it and maybe get some people to go check him out. So anyway, guys, this Sunday, back to work tomorrow. Unfortunately, didn't win any lotto. No Powerball tickets paid off or anything, so there we go. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Hope you have a good week, and I'm ready. I'm already ready for the cold to go away. We had a real easy winter, luckily, but I just don't like this cold stuff, man. I just don't like it. I miss Arizona all the time. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Peace. Outro.